when I got my refusal for visa, got the IMT Ghaziabad, chose cages for my and sectional test, and then giving my mock test.
Hello, Sankeet. Hello, good afternoon. I hope you are doing well, right?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, I'm good, sir.
Okay. Okay. I hope you are doing well and many congratulations, right, for your admission and all that. So, Sankeet, to be
Yes, sir.
honest with you and be frank, I just need
Hmm.
some guidance from you, like
Hmm.
how you have managed your study along
Hmm.
with the GMAT preparation or other exams that you have done,
Hmm.
and how you have managed parallelly your job as well as this
Hmm.
thing so that it will be like benefit for us students as well. Are those
Okay.
people who have just started their journey for GMAT or other exams?
So, sir, like I'll just start with my journey at that. How did I, approached you, and how did I, get through the MBA course? So it started from December, and then I gave my GMAT and CMAT exam in May. So it was a overall journey of around 5 months. So, first of all, like when I got my refusal for visa, then I started this journey because I couldn't go abroad, so I wanted to do my MBA from India. So I was doing with my job. It was a full time job. I was into the construction industry, and so my office timings were actually very not. I has to be on this side, so there was not proper office timing. So I have to manage taking out time after coming out from a site, and site didn't have any proper time that you have to move out by 8, you have to move out by 9. So it didn't happen that I was like living in a company accommodation. So when I attended your sessions every day, when it started from around 9, and then it went till 10:30, and after that I had to have my dinner, and then rest about half an hour, and then study for about 1.5 hours, like till 12:30. So I used to study every day, like what all things were taught, and have a gist of the things that are there in the portion. So, like weekdays, I used to study, and then on weekends, I used to take out time actually to give out the mock test. And so I gave around 8 to 9 mock tests before I gave my final attempt. And so I used to also refer the YouTube videos, like for DI. I have seen several videos. So there are a list of playlist of the videos of on the DI itself. So I used to watch that. And as per the difficulty, so first my difficulty was in verbal. Then the second was for DI, and the third was for Quant. So DI used to watch, and then for verbal, I used to take the mock test available online, free mock test. So there are various mock tests available, so you can give out that, and you can understand your level on that. And then there are sectional tests in the verbal hub also, wherein you can give all the sections at it, like one after the other, and then you have those they even tell you what is your level of the score. So you can gradually gave the those tests like I think there are once you give a test, so there's a improving your efficiency. So the another test pops. So you can gradually give those tests and then increase your efficiency. And then for same like goes for quant and DI also. So every time you give out the test, so again you can attempt a higher level test and cleave out your sorry, you can work on the areas wherein you are having those weaknesses. And for quant, I studied the GMAT. What is the verbal guide? Sorry, not GMAT one GMAT guide,
Official,
official
yeah.
guides. Yeah,
Yes.
sorry, couldn't
No
get.
problem.
So
Mm.
the official guide I used to study, and from there I used to do the quant. And similarly, I saw some videos also, and whatever the syllabus was completed during the course. So I used to see that. Yeah, and so I actually gave GMAT time on the same day of CMAT. So when I booked this CMAT, so it was like I didn't got the day when the exam would be connected. So it was declared much later, and I booked my GMAT for the 15th May on the second half, and I didn't know that CMAT would be happening. But when the dates were declared, so CMAT eventually came out to be in the first half. So I was left that I have to choose one of the options, like whether to give CMAT or whether to give GMAT. But hopefully, my GMAT was in the second half, so I decided that I would go for both of the exam. It would be quite exhaustive because 3 hours CMAT would take, and then another 2.5 hours GMAT would take. But I thought that I've given out so much time and I've invested money. And GMAT is not a it is a less expensive. It is very
Yeah,
much
much more
expensive to
expensive.
much more
Yes, yes.
expensive than any of the exams.
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
if I wanted to even reschedule it, I have to pay 11,000. So I didn't wanted to invest that. So I gave the CMAT exam in the morning, and then I it was just 1.5 hours to reach the center, and I have to very much hurry. I have to just give the exam and then again rush to the center of the GMAT. So I eventually got around 10 to 15. It was not 15, like yeah, it was just 10 to 15 minutes before the timing. And so I went there and I gave my GMAT as well. And GMAT result was declared first. So I submitted in the for the IMT Ghaziabad. I got there, and then eventually then CMAT result came. So I gave it in KJ Somaya. So I got in KJ Somaya. And for yeah, but I decided to get into KJ Somaya because it was in Mumbai, and
Mhm.
I didn't wanted to go into go Delhi, and because most of the job then would come off Delhi
Yeah.
only. So I wanted to be in Mumbai and then work here itself in Mumbai. So that is the reason I chose KJ Somaya, and so I'm doing my MBA here.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
That's great, my
Yes.
dear. And one more thing that I
Hmm.
want to tell you, Sanket, right? I got
Yes.
everything how you have started, how you have prepared, and all
Yes.
that. So, little bit, can you please tell us regarding the how much time was you on job, and after that, how much time
Hmm.
did you go on session and practice?
Hmm.
Particularly, how much section, how time you have given to verbal content DI. For you can
Okay.
be about week type and a month type or a per day type, whichever feel comfortable.
Okay. So I would say I don't remember that how much I gave it for a week or something like that. But I used to make it sure that around 4 to 5 hours every week on
Hmm.
on a particular section.
Hmm.
So I for the I used to do a verbal, like, see, I used to always mix up two sessions, like wherein I'm easy, which can be easy and which can be very tough for me. So I used to do verbal and quant. I used to do verbal and DI, and if I'm doing quant, then I used to do only quant. So like that, because and like I used to give around 4 2 hours. I think maximum would be, but maximum would be on the weekend, but minimum would be 4 to 5 hours per week on this on the sections. And on the weekend, so I used to watch a lot of videos because once you get the clarity of the things, then you can perform well. So on the mock test, I would say, so mock test I have given like every alternate week. I would say I would used to give mock test, because giving out every week, I don't think it would much be profitable, because it take time to you for understanding and things, and then giving out those sectional tests and then giving a mock test, because once you improve in the sectional test, then only you'll get a high score in the mock test. Because just giving out a mock test in the way, not improving on the sectional test won't help you. So I used to do that, and then so overall 7 to 8 mock test I gave, and for every mock test around that 2 to 3 hours. Yes, so I spare. Yes. Yeah.
So yes, I
Yeah.
got it. And any suggestion that you would go for the students who are preparing for a
So
competitive exam like GMAT, CMAT, and CAT,
yeah.
or they are parallelly doing their work?
Yes.
Like
So
any suggestion?
yes, yeah. So suggestion would be that, see, if you're in a working like you are in a working executive, so you have to take out time at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours every day for preparing, and just go section by section. Like if you are doing verbal, then do verbal, and then go out for like DI and quant, and then like if you are comfortable of doing both the section at a time, then it is fine. If you're not, then you just go for one section by section. And on the weekends, you can watch some videos on YouTube, as well as give out the sectional mock test. So once you improve in the sectional mock test, then you can give out the full length mock test. And other than that, you have GMAT Club, you have various online resources wherein you can give out the free test over there. And if you want, you can take out some of the paid mock test as well from the cat times coaching. They give out paid versions, and then we have our own platform wherein you can give out that. So I would recommend our own platform, because it is comparatively cheaper to any of the other institutes mock test. So yes.
Okay, Sanket,
Yeah.
thank you so much for such a
Yeah.
beautiful guidance that you have given,
Hmm.
and also thanks for your precious time that you have given to us as well.
Yes.
Okay, yes, and we wish you
Yeah.
best of luck, and definitely, what you will definitely get what you want, right? Okay,
Thank you, sir.
take care and
Yeah.
have a good day, dear, and bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye bye.